Good day, I'm Caroline Brown-Thompson and this is your JIS News for September 24. The government started another round of negotiations with the International Monetary Fund IMF on Monday. These discussions will continue until Friday, October 5.
We expect that to be the closure of our negotiations. Now it has to go from the technical people to the board of the fund after they have done their own testing and evaluations.
Jamaica and the IMF have been in negotiations for a new agreement since the start of the year. The finance minister has made it clear that there is no delay in the timetable for completing the negotiations. In the meantime, the government is finalizing a list of major transformation projects that can put more Jamaicans back to work and push the economy forward. The projects will form a part of the Jamaica Emergency Employment Program, JEEP.
We want to look at those projects in size and scale that could decidedly put the economy on a different path. I mean, something like becoming the logistics hub of the region.
Different projects in agriculture and manufacturing are also being looked at. A bill to initiate data protection legislation will be tabled in Parliament this financial year. The announcement was made by Minister of State in the Ministry of Science, Technology, Energy and Mining, Julian Robinson. He says the secured transfer of data across networks is critical as the government is moving to improve island-wide access to technology.
As you put more and more data online, you have issues of privacy, cyber piracy, copyright infringement and hacking. And right now we have an Electronic Transactions Act and a Cybercrimes Act, but we are ensuring that we have an overall data protection legislation.
He said the government would also be establishing a cyber emergency response team to effectively address cyber crimes. Minister Robinson was speaking at a recent GIS think tank session. Meanwhile, the computer services of the Jamaica Library Service is set to receive a well-needed boost with the procurement of some 400 computers, UPS units and application software. Speaking at the recent Jamaica House briefing, Information Minister Senator Sandria Faulkner said Cabinet had approved a contract for management service systems to secure the equipment.
And Cabinet has recommended that investigations be done to ascertain if the local expertise is available to put together the information technology systems at lower costs.
The Jamaica Library Service was also asked to investigate whether the government could save any money from existing agreements with Microsoft for the use of its software. And Industry, Investment and Commerce Minister Anthony Hilton says information and communications technology, ICT, will play a vital role in transforming the nation's economy. Speaking at the launch of the Business Processing Industry Association of Jamaica, BPIAJ, Minister Hilton said the ICT sector would help to bolster the country's profile in the global investment community.
The government of Jamaica's vision for the development of the ICT sector and for exponential growth in the ICT investments is a transformative one. The goal is explicitly stated in the Vision 2030 National Development Plan, which states that Jamaica will become a regional investment center for ICT companies.
In the meantime, State Minister Julian Robinson said the formation of the BPIAJ provided the greatest opportunity for the country to create jobs and grow the economy.
And I think working with an association with players who have a vested interest in the sector will assist us in ensuring that we remain world-class.
The worldwide business process outsourcing sector stood at an estimated $680 billion last year. 200 additional special education teachers will be deployed to basic and primary schools across the island. The announcement was made by Education Minister Reverend Ronald Thwaites at the opening of the St. Margaret's Royal Basic School in Central Kingston.
The best teachers must be teaching in the basic schools. Yes, that's the thing. And that's what we're going to ensure takes place here.
The basic school, which will house approximately 40 students, is the first to be constructed under the Food for the Poor Jamaica 50 campaign. Food for the Poor pledges to either build or refurbish 50 schools under the initiative. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Caroline Brown-Thompson. Thanks for watching.